I made, this is the end piece, it's not very clear, but I made 2 lengths of angel. One in gray, one in white. And I think I'm just going to do an ombre from white to gray, and then a reverse one, gray to white, and then embed the alternating colors into it. So same design, just 2 different reverse color schemes, I guess. Same color scheme, just reverse. So all I'm going to do is just basically pour an ombre, add a little bit of gray at a time until I get to the end. So obviously I'll speed this up because it will take me a while to do this whole batch. And then I have to do the other loaf with the reverse colors. I'll link the tutorial video I have on how to do an ombre as well. Hopefully I remember. I should remember. But yeah, otherwise sit back and enjoy and watch this angel scene soap come to life. So here are the 2 reverse ombre soaps. So this one went from dark gray to white, and this one from white to dark gray. And then they have the angel in them of opposite colors. So let's go ahead and cut these and see how the inside turned out. And oh, that's not bad. I have this stamp that's going to go on here, and it might hit the angel, which, oh well. I should have had that a little bit more rounded, or I guess flat. But that's not bad at all. You can see rings. Like there are times where it's really smooth and then, oh look, there's a ring. And then it's smooth and then, oh look, there's a ring. Some of that is my impatience with mixing. I would add a little bit more. Some of it is just a color got under it when I was pouring. It's not a big deal at all. I really like this. I debated with the gray. Like, I'm calling it silver. Like, that's what I wanted. But obviously a silver in soap is gray. Like, let's face it. But I think with the contrasting angels and the reverse, like contrasting ombre, they will actually be very pretty together, and I think they will stand out and they'll be striking. And gray is a different color than what I have for any of my other soaps, so they'll be different. Okay, let me clear these off and then I'll cut the other batch and we'll see how those look. Air holes. I didn't get those are the 3 bars at the end. That one seems okay. Let's check the other end. Seriously? Like, come on. I pushed it down, I tapped it down. Ay, ay, ay. Like, so frustrating. Like, honestly, I didn't even think that soap wouldn't infill that spot because it's not like it's a tiny little hole or groove that has to fill. It's a big open space under her arm. Somehow I must have caught an air gap. Okay, so putting aside the air gaps, it's pretty. I like the reverse too. Like, this one has almost a glow to it to me, like in that white. So I have this Merry Christmas stamp I made, and the goal is to do a white stamp with the gray to white and then a black stamp with the white to gray. We'll see if this stands out. Okay, I like that. Oh, I think that's really pretty. Okay, I'm good. You'll also notice that all those air gaps are gone. I filled them. I went and took an end piece and basically made it like soap dough and then filled the hole so there aren't gaps. I was so upset with those gaps that, yeah, I took that extra time to do that. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and stamp the rest of these and speed this up. Hopefully you can see the white stamp on this background. Anyways, enjoy. Okay, so I can't decide. Like, I really like the white shimmer. So I'm like, do I do gray or do I do white? Like, I think I'm gonna do the gray. I think it just stands out a little bit better. But I do like that shimmer, so maybe I'll mix in some of the white shimmer with that, so that I get kind of that blend.